Hello and welcome BitMonger family, DaMonger with you here today, wakey bakey. And in today's video we're going to look at the Bitcoin dump and how I have just been ripping it up and scoring, guys. And I did take action on this Bitcoin dump, and let me show you exactly what I'm looking at here, guys. Now, as I told you guys, I have this long-term trend line that you can see here, this yellow line. I'll zoom out so you can see it better. So this long-term trend line that I drew way back here, man, it's been going all the way up. That's the one that I'm talking about, and it has completely tagged it. I mean, just amazingly so. And that's where I figured it might come down to, as I had mentioned in the video. You can see it right here. This is the yellow line. It came down and tagged it. It wicked underneath it, and then it sucked back up, and it's hanging right on there. And I caught it down right around 92.3 is where I was watching when I saw this happen, and I took a long position. So that's doing pretty well, guys. And I'll show you my positions in a second. I've been really busy trading this and doing quite well. We can see the RSI on the 4-hourly is tipping on the bottom. I think this will roll over and go head back up probably. We do need to see what's going to happen come when the markets open. But this is clearly a distribution. I think whales were dumping. Maybe there's market manipulation happening here. Wouldn't surprise me one bit. But I'm still bullish. I took a long position. I got a short stop. I would be looking at, if further downside, we would need to see 90K, I think, crack. There's really strong buying pressure between 90 and 91. But if the bulls were to lose on that, the shorts were to take over, and it breaks underneath that, underneath 90K, I think we are quickly going down to like 88K, somewhere between, around in that zone. And to look at that, we could just look here at this previous zone in which it was trading before, back in the, earlier when we were trading this zone. It was just bouncing between 87 and 90K. So I could see it going down into the middle there. If it breaks 90K, it could easily jump down to 88K. So that's the area I'd be looking for if it does go down there. All right, so let's get into the juicy part. Let's get into my fucking sweet ass trades that I've been pulling, guys. So this is a repeater here. Check it out. This is a repeater. I had a short position, a limit order in place. It tagged, it dropped back down. That position's closed. I also was talking about mana yesterday. I hit that one. I closed it at 14%. That was another nice win. Then I had my dash, and I sold that one down, and that was a nice win as well. It had bounced up. I had a limit order. It triggered. It went back down. Scored 21% on that one. Nice win. And here's my long, right? You can see my long entry. I'm up a few percent on that one now currently. There's another one that I pulled, and this one was on Axie yesterday. It dropped down massively to a support level, and I thought it was going to bounce there, so I took a long on that. Closed it out, made 13%. I did it twice. I took another one where it bounced down, closed it, took 7%. So here's the current position that I took on SUI. When we just had that Bitcoin dip, I saw SUI dump like a rock, so I decided to step in and buy some. I got another order in. If it drops down to about $1.52, I'll add to this position, but right now it's sitting nicely in profit. And here's another one. I'm shorting River, and that one's up about roughly 10%. And I'm still, that position is still open. As if you were watching the charts, River had a massive run yesterday. It went all the way up. It was like 35%. This one still could climb up higher. If I was, if this one starts to turn, I will close it in profit, and then I will put sell orders in like around $33, I think is the number, a good zone to be looking at. 33. I think that it topped out at like around 35. So I would be looking to short it again if it gets up to like around anywhere between 31 to 33. I would start. You could place orders in there to expect it to drop back down, because that one is, I believe, overbought at those prices. All right, guys. So you can see I've been the busy boy, working my trades, working the magic. Life is good. Hope you guys are making money like me. Love and life. Monger out.